As a full-stack software engineer, I've worked with a variety of technologies, and for many years, Angular was my go-to. It was the bread and butter of creating rich interactive web applications. But there were aspects of it that I found challenging. The specialized JavaScript was a necessity, but it felt messy, prone to errors, and it was only transpilation, the act of converting from one high-level language to another. What's more, Angular's client-side technology often led to a lot of code duplication. Server-side tech was usually different, and while code generation tools helped, they were more of a band-aid than a solution. It was like trying to fit a square peg in a round hole, and I knew there had to be a better way. That's when I discovered Blazor. Here was a tool that compiled into binaries, used my existing C# model classes, and significantly reduced code duplication. It was like a breath of fresh air, and I was intrigued. I knew there had to be a more efficient way to build rich interactive web applications, and that's when I discovered Blazor. Blazor is a game changer. It's C#. It compiles into binaries, and it allows you to use your existing C# models classes, even on the client side. Let's dive into the benefits of using Blazor. First off, Blazor significantly reduces code duplication. Unlike Angular, which often requires separate code for your server and client-side technology, Blazor allows you to utilize your existing C# models classes, even when communicating through an API. This means you can wave goodbye to the time-consuming task of manually writing or generating duplicate codes. Secondly, Blazor is fully compatible with .NET localization APIs. No need to juggle a mix of localization technologies. With Blazor, you can use the default .NET localization APIs on both your client and server side, making it easier to manage your localized resources. This compatibility also cuts down on code duplication, keeping your code clean and efficient. But the power of Blazor doesn't stop there. It's also .NET MAUI compatible. This means you can easily create a mobile version of your existing Blazor solutions, given a correct design of your existing solution. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for web and mobile application development. Now let's talk about efficiency and cost. Blazor is not just a powerful tool, it's also a fast and cost-effective one. I've been able to create full enterprise-grade cross-platform solutions in less than a week using Blazor. If I were to use technologies like Angular, the development time would drastically increase 2 to 5 times. And we all know time is money. Longer development time means higher costs, whether you're hiring developers or working on a project yourself. With Blazor, I've been able to create full enterprise-grade cross-platform solutions in less than a week. If I were to use technologies such as Angular, the development time would drastically increase 2x, 5x times, which also means higher costs. So why should you consider Blazor for your next project? Let's recap. Blazor is a game changer. It's about efficiency and simplicity. Instead of juggling multiple languages and technologies, Blazor lets you use .NET across your entire system. That's right, one technology to rule them all. But it's not just about simplicity. It's about clean binary code, no transpilation, no messy interpreted languages. It's about using your existing C# models, even on the client side, diminishing the pesky issue of code duplication. And let's not forget cost effectiveness. Blazor's potential for creating cross-platform solutions quickly is a boon. We're talking about full enterprise-grade solutions in less than a week. Compare that with technologies like Angular, where development time can skyrocket 2 to 5 times. That's a substantial saving on development costs and time. And the cherry on top? Blazor is .NET MAUI compatible, so creating a mobile version of your existing Blazor solution is a breeze. If efficiency, cost-effectiveness, and simplicity are what you're after, then it's time to give Blazor a shot. Before we wrap up, there are a few things I'd like you to consider. If you found this video valuable, why not hit the subscribe button? It's a small action that makes a huge difference, ensuring you never miss out on future insights and discussions. Plus, it helps our community grow, welcoming more diverse viewpoints and experiences into the conversation. And speaking of community, why not share this video? Maybe you know someone grappling with the Angular versus Blazor decision, or perhaps you're part of a web development group that would appreciate this discussion. Sharing is caring, as they say. Lastly, if you have a few extra dollars a month and want to make a tangible difference, consider becoming a GitHub sponsor. Open source projects rely on the generosity of individuals just like you. With your support, these projects can continue to innovate, evolve, and serve communities worldwide. You'll find the link in the video description below. Remember, every little bit helps in the world of open source. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to helping you on your journey from Angular to Blazor.